Oh, look at those dumplings. So I'm gonna make a Hungarian goulash. This is a casserole type dish. I'm just gonna cut the goat meat into nice chunks. You could, of course, use lamb or beef as well. Handful of flour. Toss the meat. This is a rustic stew, so I'm gonna roughly chop some onion, carrots, capsicum, and garlic. We can't forget our mushrooms. Olive oil. Let's get this meat in. Nicely browned. Deglaze the pan with a bit of stock or wine. Rub it with a wooden spoon. All that flavour from the brown meat is released. Saute vegetables. Then goes the paprika. Tomato paste. Canned tomato. Some beef stock. And put the meat and all of its juice back. The goulash is cooking in the oven now. And the perfect thing to serve it with is potato dumplings. 800 grams of potatoes. Roughly chop them. Add some salt. Boil them until they're nice and tender. Mash the potatoes until they're nice and smooth. An egg. Whisk the egg in. Flour. Okay, I'll roll it around in the flour so that it doesn't stick and plop it into the goulash. We'll be ready to eat. Around the fire. It tastes so good. All that yummy juice.